Hey, what do you want for breakfast?
Caesar salad.
Soup and salad? Or Caesar salad?
Salad.
Do you want pancakes?
What's your
And
name?
soup? What's your name?
Martha.
How old are you?
How old are you? You're 4? What's your sister's names?
What's your big sister?
What's your baby sister's name?
Are you being silly? Stop being silly.
So amazing.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Do you feel amazing? Do you feel happy or do you feel sad?
Are you happy?
Are you happy or are you sad? Come on, go get it.
Go get it.
Go get it. Reach up. Just reach.
Here, right here.
Go get it.
Get that book for me.
Come, can you grab this for Daddy? Get up.
Get up and get it.
Here, let me help you up. Give me your hand. I'll help you. How do you feel?
How do you feel?
Is that medicine good? Does it make you feel good?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What's wrong?
Are you being phony? Are you being phony?
You're being a teaser.